Guys, welcome to my channel. In this video we will discuss about what is white labeling and private labeling and the benefits of white label and private labeling. Now let's get started video. What is label? Private label. What is white label? Note that private labeling is different from white labeling. Private labeling is when a product line is sold exclusively through one retailer like Amazon Basic. White labeling is the process of selling a generic product to multiple retailers who brand and price the product for their target market. Benefits of private label. The private label process is useful for a variety of reasons. One, it allows companies strong in manufacturing capability to maximize their profit. They don't need worry about heavy marketing and retailing when they can sell products to companies that are skilled in these areas. To provide companies that don't yet have work in process inventory or finished goods inventory. What is a private label brand? A private label brand is a business devoted to creating products that third parties can sell as their own. They don't market brand or retail and their own goods. They are focused solely on manufacturing products that are sold to other companies. Private labeling. Private label versus brand. When thinking about private label versus brand, numerous differences come to mind. It is important to understand the differences in order to market your business properly. Here are primary differences. Private label products are sold with no branded goods. Private label brands example. IKEA assemble your own home and office furniture, original goods, Young Man's Street. Most successful private label brand. While private labeling can help any venture become profitable, there are few companies that stand out. This is due to combination of sourcing quality products, building strong. ले आ सुबह दे देंगे कितने मसला है क्या सुबह दे देंगे पागल है क्या पूछे आइयो बोला रे भाई देगा कुछ नहीं ले आ कुछ नहीं देगा ब्लू कॉट ई कॉमर्स स्लेप लेबल ऑन इट मैं लेके आता हूँ Hope you like our video, subscribe our channel and press the bell notification up. You never miss any update from watching. Thanks for watching.